Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Once in, you'll immediately see enrolled fingerprints labeled Finger 1 or similar. You want to remove a fingerprint now, so locate the specific entry you no longer use. Make sure you know which finger corresponds to which label. If unsure, test by placing fingers on the Home button to see which entry briefly highlights. When ready, tap the fingerprint name to prepare for deletion. You'll remove a fingerprint by tapping the entry, then tapping Delete Fingerprint. Confirm when iOS asks. Once deleted, that fingerprint can no longer unlock the phone or authorize purchases. If you want to stop all Touch ID uses, make sure to toggle off iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and Password Auto fill in the same settings area. Doing that prevents remaining fingerprints from being used. It also forces Face ID or your passcode for authentication, so have that passcode handy. Finish by restarting your iPhone to ensure settings fully apply. Once done, test by attempting to unlock with the removed finger. If the fingerprint still appears or seems active, repeat the deletion steps carefully and confirm the toggle switches are off. If problems persist, reset all settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset, but note this resets network and display settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if sensors act up, clean the Home/Touch sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.